Namaste dear friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do Parivritha Janu Sirasana. This is a great hip opening posture and also it's a spinal twist. Beginners find this posture, it is find difficult, but I also give you an alternative. So keep your left knee straight, bend your right feet, right sole closer to the left thigh. Now if you are a beginner and have legs flexibility, hold your ankles, left ankle with the left hand. And if you are more flexibility, you can hold your left big toe with your left index and middle finger, bringing the left elbow down, left elbow touching on the mat. This is advanced level, this is beginner level. So the beginner, stay in the position. Now inhale, right hand up, right elbow close to the ear, slowly turn the upper body towards the left and look upstairs, upwards. A right elbow closer to the right ear and look up and breathe. And slowly come up. And the people who would able to hold the big toe, stay in the position, slowly right hand up, bring your right hand towards to the left feet, hold your left feet with the both hands, just the upper body towards upside, and breathe in the posture. Stay in the posture 30 seconds to 1 minute and come out of the posture. Slowly come up, exhale down. We'll be doing the other side. The right pointing out, right leg out, bend your left knee, hold your right ankle with the right hand. Inhale, left hand up, left elbow close to the ear and look up. This is beginner. The advanced people who have more flexibility, hold the big toe with your right index and middle finger and slowly left hand up, hold your right feet with the both hands and look up. And slowly come up, stay in the posture and 30 seconds to 1 minute, then come up. Use this yoga posture in your daily yoga practice and find out the results. I hope you enjoy the video and I will come with the next video. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Namaste.